Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quilt top that I just finished. I have not quilted this yet. This quilt I used 2.5-inch mini hexie to make the design. It is also called the Friendship Braid. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. I wanted to use several different colors of purple, so I'm going to be cutting 2.5-inch strips from the fabrics that I want to put in this quilt. I learned how to make this a long time ago by watching Missouri Star, and I will leave a link to the template down below in the description if you are interested. You could also buy a jelly roll, and then just that way you would not have to cut the strips. You could get right into just putting the template just like I'm doing, working your way all the way down the strip. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And that is how quick you can have all the pieces ready to go. I did that with all the different colors. And then once you get everything ready, it's time to sew it together, and I just put that right like that and sew it down at 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And look how that makes the right where I need to put the next one. And then you just go back and forth between the one on the right, and then you'll do the one on the left, and it goes back and forth. You could make any size quilt that you want. You could do a king size, queen size, baby blanket. It's so fun. It just depends on what you want to do. And that is the fun thing about quilting. You make it the way you want it, the way you like it to look. I like to have a table set up next to the sewing machine when I'm putting this together, because once I lay it out, I want to sew it together like that. As I sew each piece, I like to just finger press it back and get ready for the next one. I really like how this is turning out. I am trying to make sure that I don't put the same pattern next to each other. Kind of mix it up. I made sure that I counted each one all the way down to make sure that each row is exactly the same. And then once you get it all done, you're going to want to make sure you iron it and get it to lay very flat. And then once it's ready to be trimmed, I like to lay it flat, line it up on the line there, and then you just want to square it off. And I'm going to put the ruler right there. That lowest point is where I'm going to cut it off. And you want to do the same thing for the other end. And then I just like to trim the sides up and make sure everything is even. This is a 6-inch ruler, so it just made it easy to make it exactly that size. And this is where I like to put everything up on my design wall. I want to see how I like the colors. Do I like what they look like? You could always flip them around too. And I'm doing 5 rows here. I love to put a border around, and that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a white border in between. And I am cutting these strips at 1.5 inches. And then you might want to just put it there just to make sure you like it. Once you get it how you want it, you want to sew those strips on. And then I just added all of the strips to this piece. I just love how this turned out. I ended up adding a little bit of a bigger border on each end, and I cut that at 3 inches. I have finished a couple of my other quilts this way. I'm cutting these pieces at 1.5 by 3 inches, and I'm going to make it scrappy all the way around this quilt. The great thing about this is it uses up all your scraps, and I think it really gives it a really neat look. I like to start out by chain piecing several, and once it gets long enough, I just keep adding them together, and eventually you can make just one solid piece, and you just keep adding to each end. It works great. And you want to do the same thing with this. You want to make sure it is even. And then you just want to sew your border on all the way around. This was such a fun quilt to do. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. At the end of this video, I will put 2 of my other videos up if you'd like to click on them. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.